This is the final tutorial in our series for orientation and getting to know the course and haiku. So in this last tutorial, we're going to discuss creating wikis. So you should be back in the orientation assignments tab of the course and scroll to the last assignment. And this is a class project. It's your orientation wiki, so you're going to click View Project. So you'll see it kind of looks like an empty section of one of your courses. And over here on the left-hand side, instead of having units, these are other students' orientation wikis. Okay. Some of our wikis will be public, like this one, and others will be private, where I'm the only one that can see it other than the original author. All right, so in order to create this wiki project, you're going to go ahead and click Add Page. And just like every other discussion board assignment, you're going to title it the name of the assignment and your name. And we'll leave it here. It's going to be at the bottom of the list of pages. So we're going to be right under Marjan. And I'm going to click Save. So this is my wiki page. What I want to do, see how there's a big square here and a smaller square here? Personally, I like to change the layout of the page. So I'm going to go to Manage Page and then Page Layout. And these are different ways you can set up your blocks. So if you want just one column of information, that's fine. If you want it switched from what's there automatically, it's going to go here. This is the traditional, this is what you start out with. 3 columns, or how my course is set up is always the even 2. Alright, so now you see that right here, my shapes are different here. Okay, so in order to complete an orientation wiki, you have to put information up on the page. So I want to show you the different types of information you can post on a wiki page. So you're going to click Add Content Block. And these are all the different things you can add to a page. Text, files, images, web links, something from Flickr if you have a Flickr account. You can embed kind of mini apps, like things from Facebook or Twitter, Pandora, Hulu, Yahoo, Skype, all that stuff through here. If you have a regular video that you've created on your computer, this is where you upload it. A YouTube video. I've never used Noteflight, but if you're a musician and you have this app, that's something else you can add. If you're just adding audio that you've created on your computer, you go here. These are mini sites, things from Adobe, things that have Java backgrounds. This is where you get that. And then here's you can upload anything from your Google Drive. So we're going to go through one by one, and I'm going to show you the most commonly used content blocks that we add to our wiki projects. The first one is on-page text. So all I do is I clicked Add Content Block, and now I'm putting on-page text. So now I have to give my block a title, and this wiki is about online learning. So I'm going to say Orientation Wiki on online learning. If you don't want someone to see the title, you can always hide it here. And since this is just a text block, you're just adding texts. So our boxes are going to include the following. On-page text. We're going to include a YouTube video. We're going to include something from our Google Drive. We're going to upload links. And we're going to upload files. Once you save this, you'll see it on your page. But maybe I forgot something, or I want to change the text because I misspelled a word. You come over here to this gearbox and you click edit. And then it brings it back to this and I can change whatever I want to change. Okay. Alright, so we did on-page text. That's what an on-page text block looks like. Now I'd like to upload my document from my Google Drive that we created in the orientation assignment. So I'm going to come down here and click on Google Drive. I'm going to pick it from my Google Drive. And so here's my orientation assignment. I double clicked it. You can click and push select if you like. It's here, it's the right one. So I'm going to click next. And now my assignment's going to actually pop up in this box. This always takes a minute to load, and sometimes you have to go back and click edit, and it says here edit content. Just want to go back and click save. You didn't change anything. And there's my document. Remember that document I didn't put much information on. Okay. And that's how you insert from your Google Drive. Let's insert a YouTube video. So in order to insert a YouTube video, you need to go open a different tab, go to YouTube, and so we've been talking about the strengths, the characteristics you need to be a successful online learner. So that's something that I want to include in here. See, these are my kids. My kids like to look at on YouTube. So I'm going to Google search, or I'm going to YouTube search online learning. And here's a video. It's a TED Talk. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to watch the video. Okay. If you ever include a YouTube video on your Wiki project, you must watch the video to make sure you understand the content of the video. You can't just post videos because it says it has the same topic that you're creating a wiki for. So make sure you know your video. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to copy this web address. I'm going to go back here. And I had already clicked add content block YouTube video. I'm going to paste my YouTube link. Click next. I'm going to change the title. Right now the title just says YouTube. I'm going to change it to the title of the actual video. If I wanted to add a comment, I could add a comment here about the video, but I'm not going to. So now there's my YouTube video. One thing to point out here is now everything that I've added is on the left-hand side of the page. Okay? I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and move this. And all you do is you scroll over the title and you get this, the arrows crossing each other. You click and you hold, and then you scroll over to where you'd like it. So I want it in the next column, and see how it kind of turns yellow? When I'm ready, I just let go of it and it'll pop up automatically to the top. Okay? So we've done on-page text, we've done a YouTube video, and we've uploaded something from our Google Drive. So now we're going to upload some links. So I'm going to go right here to web links. And I'm going to open another tab here, and I'm going to search online learning. Same thing with the YouTube videos as with the links. Don't include links unless you've read them and you know what's on those links. Again, for this situation, I'm just going to randomly click on links and insert those to show you. So again, you're going to copy the link from the address bar. I'm going to come back here. You need a title, so I'm going to say online learning links. Now I scroll down to the bottom of this little box. When you come here, it already shows you this http:////. So delete that. If you don't delete it, you'll end up with an invalid link. I'm going to paste my link here. And I'm going to title it Khan Academy. If you've ever used it, it's great for learning math. Now I want to add another link, so I'm going to click on additional links. Find another link. Yeah, I'm just using random links. Copy it, come back here, delete that, and paste. If you'd like to continue to add links, go ahead, click add more links. I'm done, so I'm going to click save, and it shows up down here. Now I want to move it again to the other column, so I'm going to scroll it that way. If I scroll back up, now I want the links on top of the TED Talk, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift it up and see how it automatically moves down the TED Talk. Release, and now my links are up there. Alright, so we've done on-page text, we've done YouTube videos, we've done a Google Drive, we've done links. So actually this is wrong. Uploading files is pretty similar to uploading from your Google Drive. So instead I'm going to show you how to upload images. Alright, so I'm going to add my last content block. I'm going to scroll over here to images. And again, I'm going to open up another tab. I'm going to Google search online learning again. But this time I'm going to click on images. Now the only thing here is that you have to save these to your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, save image as. Make sure I'm in pictures over here. Put online. I'm going to save a couple pictures just to show you. Alright, so I've saved my images. I'm coming back here to the course. And again, I'm just going to title it Online Learning. Now here you can show your pictures different ways, and I'll show you each way. And it's mostly your preference as to how you like to see your images. So you can click Next, choose Files. If you are on a PC, you can click Control and click, and it should open all three at the same time. So once they're all here, they are. I have to click Upload. And then I need to wait for the images to upload. If you want, again, you can always put some sort of information right there. And your pictures end up showing up down here. You can enter a caption if you like, or you can leave them blank. Click Finish. And so that's the first way that the images show with that first link. So I'm gonna edit it. I'm going to show you how it looks with first image on page with slideshow. So here you would click on the picture and then you scroll through to see the other images. Lastly is to have all the pictures shown at the same time. All images on page. Save. And now here we get all the pictures on one page. So that's your preference, how you want to show your images. If you have 20 images, this might not be the best way, and maybe you want to do it with the thumb pictures of them. So that's how you create a wiki. Please, again, always email me, call me, let me know you need help creating one, and I can review it with you. Thanks so much. I hope these tutorials are very helpful.